Okay, so the next thing we want to know is we know how to find the present value and the future value of a cash flow, a series of cash flows or an annuity, but we also want to know the payment, and that's the one that's what you use when you're trying to work out how much to pay on a mortgage or how much to pay for hire purchase or whatever. So often we have the present value of a projected cash flow. So the present value is the price that we're paying for the item now, or that we would pay now if we were paying cash. And we wish to find the equivalent regular amount, and it's known as either finding the payment of an annuity, and it's also known as amortisation. Okay, so this actually is autobiographical. When my husband and I left university, we borrowed $9,000 to buy a car and a computer and moved to Christchurch with our 2 babies. And we decided to take 5 years to pay it off, and the interest rate back then was 13%, because things were even worse then in terms of interest rates than they are now. What will a fortnightly payments be? So not surprisingly, you just go straight to Excel and you go equals, and you go PMT, which stands for payment. And then we come up to our FX button, and so our rate is going to be 13%, and it's divided by 26 because it's fortnightly. Our number of periods is 5 years times 26, and the present value, that's how much we borrowed, was $9,000. And then we go, okay. Oh, it's come out negative, that's all right. I'll just stick a negative sign in front of there, press enter. Okay, so our fortnightly payment was $94.32, which was actually quite a lot of money back then. So you can see, just using Excel, a lot of people are quite scared of Excel, and I think, oh, I want to do it on my calculator. Believe me, this is so much easier than doing it on the calculator. The formula is hideous. So that's what you're going to be using.